The Aircall Tags feature is a valuable tool for all teams, so let's look at best practices for creating and using tags in a mixed use case team to allow for accuracy and efficiency. As you can only have one set of tags for each account, your team will be seeing all created tags regardless of the team or department they are in. To streamline the experience for your agents, we recommend color coding your tags based on department so they're easily found by the relevant teams. The benefits of using this color coding system is to make it easier for your agents to find the correct tag in an efficient way, which will lead to higher accuracy and more consistent tagging, which in turn will contribute to your analytics and reporting. There are a few ways to further build on this color coding system, so let's go through each one. Tags are located in the Call Settings tab of your Aircall dashboard. Once there, you can easily create, edit, or view your tags. As you can see here, I've created my sales tags in blue and my support tags in green. To create a tag, simply click on the Add a Tag button. The tag creation box will appear where you can type the name of your tag and then select the relevant color from the drop-down menu. Now that you have your tag list, your agents can start making calls and using these tags straight away. When your agents are in the call, they can simply click on the tag button here and the tags will come up. Depending on what department they're in, they can easily see if they select the green tag for support or the blue tag for sales. Once the call is over, you will be able to see in the call history screen the color code of the tag that was added, so you can easily identify if it was a sales call or a support call. You're also able to filter by tags up here, where again they're color coded so you can just look exclusively at sales calls or exclusively at support calls if you wish. If you would like to drill down on tags for more granular reporting, but still maintain the color coded process, you can create tags with a main topic and a subtopic. This will allow you to see the topic of the call, but also the resolution or the next step that was provided by the agent. Let's use our login issues tag as an example. Login issues is the main topic of the call, but a possible resolution to this is a password reset. You can create a tag called login issues password reset. So when your agent is in a call, they simply click on tags and they can search login issue as the main topic and will be presented with a list of login issue tags with their subtopics to select from, depending on the resolution being offered by the agent. The final way we are going to look at how you can use color coding with tags is by also incorporating the team's name at the front of the tag. This would be suitable if you have multiple different teams within one department, multiple teams using Aircall in general, or if you're expecting to have a large volume of tags. As you can see, I've kept my color themes for my overhead departments of sales and support, but I've broken down the colors within each department and also added their role at the start of the tag. We have dark blue for BDRs and light blue for AEs, dark green for level 1 support, and then light green for level 2 support. Using this method, when your agent is in a call, they can click on tags and either see them separated like this in the scroll menu, or they can simply type in their role and it will come up exclusively with the tags that they are able to use.